Hey guys, welcome to Pinoy Tech Tips. In this video, I will show you 3 quick ways to fix a JBL headset that won't turn on after it's fully charged. If you own a JBL T450BT headset, you might have experienced this kind of problem already. It's not clear if such an issue is isolated to a few units or not. But ever you encounter it, don't panic as your headset is not damaged. Here are the things you have to do to turn it on again. First solution: press and hold both volume keys for 30 seconds or more. This solution is based on reports from some users who have successfully made their headsets work again. You should try it first. If it doesn't make the headset turn on, then try the next solution. Second solution: press and hold the power key for 30 seconds or more. Another solution reported by some to have fixed their issues is by holding down the power key. They claim that such a procedure will actually force restart your JBL headset, and personally, I have tried it a few times already. But there are times that it just won't work. So if your JBL headset is still not turning on after the first 2 procedures, then try the following. Third solution: triple-click the power key and hold for 10 seconds. Every single time that my headset is fully charged, it won't turn on if you just hold the power key. The procedure that is often effective to me is by pressing the power key 3 times in rapid succession, and holding it for a few seconds. Most of the time, the light indicator will turn on and that's the sign that it's powered on. And those are the 3 easy quick fixes for a JBL headset that won't turn on. I hope that this simple troubleshooting guide can help you. Please subscribe to our channel if you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.